So here are some of the things that they 3D printed, and that noise you hear in the background is the 3D printer in action. I'll show you that in just a moment. But basically, anytime you print, they recommend that you start by printing a raft, kind of a plate at the bottom for your project. And so when we came down here, this table was actually printed like this. And so the librarian broke it apart, and this is the table that resulted from the 3D printing. You see here are some University of Memphis Tiger logos, some Legos, just an egg, and a variety of other things. This chain mill is pretty incredible. Look at the detail there. This is a screw, and so it works, so you can twist it and it opens, and a variety of other things. And then probably the piece de resistance is this skyline of Memphis, including the Memphis Bridge, the Memphis Pyramid, and then the Memphis skyline. So it'll give you a different view of the city. You can see the pyramid and the famous M Bridge in the background there across the skyline. And then here is the printer in action. If you look carefully, you can see right now it's clear. It's printing that raft I was talking about. So it's kind of a white, clearish color this time around. The filament is that they're using this time around. And so it's printing that, and in a few moments, it's going to finish printing a blue chain link like this. And they tell us that this particular printer can print this chain link in about 20 minutes time. And so that's what we'll all be looking at here in just a little bit.